Let's talk about eye color changing surgery, and I want to specifically focus on iris implant surgery. So, trigger warning, if you do not like eyes, this is probably not the video for you. This above me is an iris implant. It is a small silicone implant colored the color of your choice, and it is inserted under the corneal layer of the eye. And there is a lot to be said about the risks associated with such a procedure and absolutely no long-term success rate. Iris implants were created and patented in 2004 by Con Medical Devices in Panama City, Panama. They called their device New Color Iris. And they allegedly created the device to help people with iris colobomas, I don't know if I said that right, ocular albinism, and iris heterochromia if somebody wanted those things corrected. However, when the company originally marketed their device, they were not marketing it to people who actually needed medical intervention. They were marketing it to people with completely normal irises who maybe just wanted to change the color of them. It was also marketed as a safe and reversible cosmetic procedure, which is not only completely untrue, but it's false advertising and completely dangerous. Some of the most serious and common complications of the procedure are glaucoma, cataracts, eye infection, and reduced vision or total blindness. There have also been studies done on the devices themselves to see exactly how abrasive these little silicone implants are, and they're found to have very sharp edges and also a high rate of migration. And what you can see in the picture above me, although it may be hard to tell, but the eye on this side, the light is reflecting incorrectly in it, because it has already migrated away from the original place of the iris. Now, even though new color iris implants are absolutely banned in the United States and not FDA approved, you can still get the procedure done in other countries. And even some of TikTok's most well-known medical content creators have weighed in on the issue.
This woman had an artificial iris implant put into her eye. This is what they look like. So it's a fake iris. So it's not actually changing your eye color. You're just putting this piece of plastic in front of your natural iris to block it, so all you see is this thing. The reason these devices exist is not to change the color of people's eyes. It's to help people who don't have irises, either congenital aniridia, which is you were born without an iris, or through some kind of trauma, you've lost your iris. So this is an example of someone with traumatic aniridia. So they had some kind of trauma that caused them to lose large portions of their iris. The iris is really important because it modulates the amount of light that comes into the eye. So if you don't have an iris, you can imagine, even in just room light, particularly outside, how light sensitive this person's going to be. The vision's going to be pretty poor. It's miserable for people to have something like this. Artificial iris implants were made for this type of